done that later.
You never wanna pick up. You never wanna do the things that are inconvenient. Please. You say you're gonna pull up, but I know you only come if you think that makes us even. If I would've stayed till you're okay, I know by now. You tell all your friends that I'm obsessed. Now let's get real. But what is it?
Good morning, guys. It's actually almost 10 o'clock. Isla slept until 9 o'clock today, a little after 9. It was amazing. We both feel very well rested. Can you guys see her? She's sitting over there. I just like tidied up a little. Eric sleeps out here, not all night, but he'll come out. Like I go over this all the time, but I feel like I have to put like a disclaimer, like we're not having issues. He just comes out at like 3 or 4 o'clock because his alarm goes off at 4:45 and he doesn't want to wake us up. So he'll like wake up, go to the bathroom, and then come out here. So I just like tidied up a little. We still have his laundry chair because Eric now has 2 full hampers of laundry to fold. And I know you're like, Lainey, why don't you just fold it yourself? Because he doesn't like how I fold. So I'm not gonna waste my time folding his laundry if he's just gonna redo it. So yeah, so I just put a load of laundry in. I sorted out the 2 loads that I did yesterday, so I didn't fold mine and Isla's yet, but I'll do that later. I just made my chocolate milk. If you guys remember, yesterday I did not have chocolate milk and I was a little bit moody, so I'm very happy to have it today. My mug is from TJ Maxx. It's so cute. It says mama. Can you see? I love this. But yeah, so now Isla and I are just sitting on the floor. We had to go to Aldi today. We're gonna go with my Nana, and we have to go to where Eric and I are getting married to give them money, because they like the way they did it when we booked, we started paying towards the wedding, so we pay in like increments. They set up like a payment plan for their couples, so we have our last payment due, so I have to go pay them, and then the rest of the wedding will not be due until like the month of when we have our final guest count, and it is officially 6 months away. I picked up my dress on Sunday, and yeah, I'm just getting kind of excited now. I wasn't that excited, but now I'm excited. I'm pretty sure I have everything done. We still have to do suits for like Eric and his groomsmen, but that's all. And we need to get Beans a dress, but we're gonna wait until it gets closer because I mean, she'll be 9 months next week already. I cannot believe that. But she will grow a lot because she's gonna be like 14 months old, almost 15 months old when we get married. So yeah, she's got a lot of growing to do. So we probably won't get her dress until like after her first birthday, right? You're so cute. She was so excited when she saw Jingle today sitting on the TV in our bedroom. She loves Jingle. We'll show you guys Jingle later, right? She's got her jammies on that Jingle brought her yesterday. And last night we started, I don't want to say sleep training because I don't know that that's, I didn't really look into sleep training a lot, but last night she woke up. Oh, will you give mom a kiss? She woke up twice and I did not pick her up. I just let her fuss for like 5 minutes and she went back to sleep. And she slept really well last night. Her Owlet app says she was up for like an hour at one point, but I don't think that's true because I definitely would have heard her. And she definitely would not have just been laying in bed for an hour because that's not like her to do at 5 a.m. It's like her to do at like 9 a.m. like when she wakes up for the day, not like in the middle of the night. So yeah, we're gonna play for a little bit now.
I think I said you mix it with.
We created a disaster zone playing in here. Isla let me put her in her skip hop. That's all our Christmas decorations we still have to go through. She now wants me to pick her up, but I just put, my camera's still broken because that glasses kit would not work, so I had to figure something else out. But I just put the rest of the laundry in the dryer, and I have to pick her up. Hold on. Anyways, I just put the rest of our laundry in the dryer, and I'm not gonna fold mine and Isla's laundry until everything's dry, and I'll just do it all at one time. I really don't feel like doing my hair or getting ready today, but I know I need to because we have stuff to do. But it is like 11:18 right now. So this girl's ready for her nap. So I'm gonna put her down. Hopefully it goes smoothly. And I'll see you guys after my nap. I can't take those teeth. It's now 11:51 and Isla did not want to take a nap. That was like really not a fun time. She finally fell asleep at 11:42. So she's been asleep for about 10 minutes. I just set up my popcorn chicken. My oven's preheating for lunch, and I'm like afraid to be loud because I don't want to wake her up. And like at night we're so loud, like walking around doing things, but during the day, let me know if you guys really like during nap time I'm so quiet because I'm so afraid she's gonna wake up. But I'm really hoping she gets like a good nap in, and I really should get ready, but I just don't want to. Ugh, my stupid camera. Guys, I know you're sick of hearing it, but I just finished making my popcorn chicken, and Eric got our ketchup open last night, so that's good. Do you guys keep your ketchup in the fridge? Because I do, but my mom doesn't. But I like cold ketchup more. But of course, I have food, so Poppy's like, "Hi Mom, I'm here." But I'm going to eat my popcorn chicken. Isla woke up for like 2 minutes and then fell back asleep. So I'm gonna quickly eat. It's only 12:23, so I want to eat. I think I'm gonna watch. I just finished editing the footage I have from today, so I'm gonna watch my friend Kelly's Vlogmas Day 2 while I eat. Someone is awake. It's like 1:20 and she's chit-chatting away in here. Hi! Hi! Did you have a good nap? I missed you. Kit Kat? Where's the Kit Kat? Kit Kat's not in here. Did you have a good sleep? Mom to hold you? Mom to hold you? Oh, I missed you. I really missed you. Hi guys, I took a nap and I'm happy now. I'm going to... She keeps saying Kit Kat. There's no Kit Kat in here. Kit Kat's not in here. Kit Kat's not in here. Kit Kat's not in here. Kit Kat is Poppy. Oh, I'm cut off. I'm going to get us both dressed. And we're gonna go to Aldi. Okay, we're gonna go for shopping. I just got us both dressed. We're both wearing blue sweatshirts and black leggings. So like we kind of match, right? But I'm going to get this girly girl in the car seat. I put like, what is with this camera? My camera's falling apart, guys. It's falling apart. I'm a mess because of it. But I put like the tiniest bit of makeup on. I put on mascara, which I don't like. The one I'm using I don't like. I keep doing the opposite thing because my camera's upside down. And then I put on, what's it called? The Tula, this is awful. I don't even know where to point. I put on the Tula under eye stuff. And I was obsessed with this little Aveeno bottle. It drives me nuts. Because I'm afraid she's gonna like choke on the cap or something. I also put on like an entire bottle of dry shampoo and I really didn't do much. So we'll see you guys when we get back from Aldi, okay? And Mom's gonna duct tape the camera again. Okay, we just got back from Aldi, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Well, we also went to Isla Bean. She's chasing the cat. I feel like isn't she too young to be chasing the cat? Come here. We also went to Bath and Body Works, and my grandmother let me pick out her coupon for the free gift, so I got this Joy Assured Snickerdoodle moisturizing body wash. So that's what I got from there. And then at Aldi I got Isla's Little Munchers white cheddar cheese doodles that she loves, a thing of mandarins for Eric. I only spent $30 at Aldi. And then I have this huge bag. I'm gonna put it on the floor. See, hello guys. Okay. I got green beans, baby carrots, 2 things of trail mix. This is the cranberry nut, and I also got the sweet and salty one for Eric. I got fruit and grain soft baked bars, strawberry. I got crunchy peanut butter granola bars for Eric. I got a thing of butter because we're almost out. I got this huge spaghetti squash because we love spaghetti squash. This is only $4. That's a steal. I got another olive oil spray because we were out, and I also just got like a regular one because we are out of those. And then I got waffles. This was only 99 cents, and I want to give Isla waffles in the morning. I got roasted garlic and olive oil couscous. Eric and I love couscous. And then I got double filled cookies that are like supposed to be like Oreos. And then I got chewy chocolate cookies. Hold on, I have to go grab Isla. Come here, beans. So that is everything I got from Aldi. And then I also came home to a package from Target. So I'm gonna open that with you guys. Unassigned zip code. And how'd you find me? The zip code's right there. Anyways, please don't crawl away when mommy puts you on the floor. Okay. She's on the floor, so. Oh, well, hold on. Let mom open this. I don't know why she's yelling. I don't know why you're yelling. Why are you yelling? I honestly don't know what's inside this box. Oh, it's a book. It's a book. It's a Christmas book. If animals celebrated Christmas with koalas. So cute. We're gonna read this. Target had like a spend $20, get $5 off, or get a free book, something like that. I forget what it was. But we got 3 books and only 1 came. So that's the one we got. We're gonna read that tonight. Yeah, we're gonna read that tonight. I'm gonna put these groceries away. So we're actually going to the Christmas tree lighting that's in my hometown tonight. So I have my hat on. Isla is in her pajamas because the light tree gets lit at 7:30 and that's her bedtime. So she's in her pajamas. I'm trying to find my coat. But yeah, I took my hair down and it's super dirty, so I've got this hat on, but it's actually only 49 degrees out, so it's kind of warm still for New York in December. So I'm gonna switch to my phone now because we're gonna go have dinner with my parents and my siblings, and then we're gonna go to the tree lighting.
It's wet. We don't want anybody to slip, so please stand right where you are. Look forward.
Look at Mom.
All right. And enjoy yourselves. Thank you.
Alright guys, I am going to end today's video here. We just got back from the Christmas tree lighting. Isla looks so cute with her little pullover and her Christmas little sleepies. But we're going to end today's video now. I'm about to put her to bed. Eric's behind me eating his second dinner of the night.
What?
And then after Isla's asleep, I'm gonna shower and get ready for bed. So I'm just gonna end it now. So if you're not already, make sure to subscribe. Excuse me, I had soda and it was making me burp now. But anyways, if you're not already, make sure to subscribe and turn notifications on and all that fun stuff. And we will see you in the next one. Say bye guys. Bye guys. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye.